So a lot of people don't know what all we have to offer here. Not only do we do your paint protection film and ceramic coating that we do sell at the point of sale buying any vehicle, we still build vehicles that are off the street customers, retail, to the general public. So this is just one of our showroom builds to showcase some of the stuff we can do. I know there's a huge, vast majority that we do, and I'm gonna show you guys that here in a minute. So here is our wrap department. We do our vinyl wraps, paint protection film, and ceramic coating all down this bay. So here we have our old Kendall Bronco. It was logoed up with Kendall gear, and we had a bunch of vents and stuff that we used. We recently sold it, and now we're changing the wrap on it to kind of this pastel pink vintage color. We powder coated the bead locks on it, and then we're adding some steps to it. So with this Raptor R, we've already done a few things before. We did a bed cover, wheels, tires, and we added some power steps to it. They came back. Now we're gonna change all the decals from the red to a desired color that they wanna do. This is our ceramic coating, and we also do some of the window tint in here. This is kind of the final stages of where this truck's at. We did a full front, rockers, paint protection film with a spell film, a tint to match, and now Tony's laying down a ceramic coating over the whole truck. And here is our print and kind of our production room where our designer will sit here, design your wrap for, say, if you're wanting to do a cool themed wrap on your personal vehicle, or if you're wanting to do commercial wraps, decals, things like that. We'll sit here and design it, and then it goes over to the printer. This is the new Latex 800W, so it'll actually print white on black if you wanted to, but this is where we do all our printing. And we'll go over and get cut if it needs cut, or your laminator here as well. So this is our technician bay. So this is where we do your lift kits, wheels, tires, bed racks, steps, as well as your commercial upfits. So your vans with ladder racks, the shelving inside, all that is all done in this bay. So right now we're putting power steps on this truck, and then it'll be sent out, and then we have a couple things going on in the Raptor. So this Ford Raptor, they brought it to us. They wanted a custom bumper put on it. So we did an ADD front bumper with rigid LED lighting. And then after that, we're gonna touch up some of the film and stuff for them. It's a full stealth PPF on a shelter green truck. So it's gonna look amazing when we get finished with it. For those of you that don't know what a stealth PPF is, it's an XPEL film, same 8mm thick, but it's a matte lamb. So it'll actually make your vehicle go from like a glossy paint right to matte paint. And it actually is keeping your factory color, but just changing the hue of it. This is an F350 we recently had finished. We did some wheels, tires, and then a level kit with remote shocks on the front and a winch. It's back today getting some fender flares done that we had paint matched, and then the truck should be finished up for them. Thanks for checking out the video. Hopefully we see you guys in here soon. Let's build something great.
Kendall, let's start something great.